Hey guys, last restore of the night.
Nice restore of the night.
This is, unfortunately, the one by Reese closed, so I think this is technically the closest one to Reese. Either this one or the first one that I went to, which was, a fluorescent? No, it's just a bulb. Interesting. Over the years, I've found some really good stuff in this restore, but it's been a very long time. Well, this is kind of cool. I had one of these before and sold it. There's a few more open out. Oh, there's more over here. The LED. I can't tell, it's heavy. Metal halide, okay. Good to know. Those probably won't sell very quickly, so if we need them, we can come back here and get them. Don't see anything in the back. Okay. I have a couple more stops to make, but no more restores, so thanks for watching. Bye, Fanstick.